This is Doğa. She's 3 years old and loves to explore. Today, she's walking through a magical forest with her toy magnifying glass in her hand. The trees are tall, the flowers are bright, and Doğa is full of wonder. Suddenly, Doğa hears a sound. Something is moving behind the bush. She takes a tiny step forward, and there, peeking out, is a little squirrel. His name is Lukluk. He's a bit shy, but very curious. Doğa smiles kindly. She doesn't rush. She waits quietly. Lukluk slowly comes out of the bush. He feels safe. Doğa has made a new friend just by being kind and patient. Soon, Doğa and Lukluk find some smooth stones. They start to build a tower together. One stone, then another. The tower gets taller and taller. They both work carefully and take turns. What a great team. Oops, the tower wobbles and falls to the ground with a crash. Doğa and Lukluk look at the stones, and then they laugh because it's okay to try again. Trying is part of the fun. Now, Doğa and Lukluk walk side by side. Their steps are small, but their hearts are full. They know that the forest holds many adventures. And the best part is sharing them together.